Cheers, Dale.
Thank you, I'm keeping it.
I asked hubby if he'd do something for me, but there was a catch. He didn't know what it was that he had to do. So this is hubby's real-time review of the Bastion Titanium Bolt Action Slim Pen. I said, just come in and sit down in your man cave. I want to video you while I show you something. Hey Dale, do you have a favourite pen?
Yes, I do.
Show it to me.
All the different colours.
Would you like to try this Bastion Bolt Action Pen?
How quick is it?
Try it and tell me what you think.
Geez, got some weight. Oh, bolt action. It's loaded. Is it mine to keep?
Yes.
It is.
If you were shown that pen, would you buy it?
Of course I would. Beautiful pen. Smooth, shaped like a bullet. Lever action.
So it's a winner.
Absolutely.
Cheers, Dale.
Thank you, I'm keeping it. That is a beautiful pen. How do you refill it? There's nowhere to refill it. That's the only downside.
Yeah, just here at the bottom, right there, there's a join. Just twist it. Twist the bottom from the top.
Oh yeah. You can't even see it. That's awesome. You can't even feel it. It's a winner.
So as you can see, that worked out really well. So now I want to show you a close-up of the pen. This one is the titanium and it's the Slim Action Bolt Pen. Right out of the box, she's ready to go. So the first thing I'm going to do is write with it, the same as what Kel's done. I chose the Slim Pen because I've broken 3 fingers on my dominant hand, and I chose the titanium because it's a lighter pen for me to use as well. But as it turns out, as you saw in hubby's review, I think I've missed out on this pen. What really impressed both my husband and myself was the way you refilled this pen. Just unscrew it at the bottom here and just pull out the cartridge, replace it with a new cartridge and screw the tip back on, and it's seamless. This pen is so well engineered. It's beautifully made. So if you're looking for that special gift to give your significant other, I highly recommend this pen, whether it's for the beautiful woman or man in your life. For 20% off, the link is in my description below. Now while you're here, have a look at their stylish bolt action pencils. Personally, I'm a huge pencil user. I use a pencil every single day. It's also a bolt action, but this one is like a little bit of a pump. So in the box you get a packet of the refilled leads. So you can see this pencil is a little bit fatter, for want of better words, than the slimline pen. So I guess if you got the normal pen, it would be approximately the same size. So writing with it, I found that it wasn't too bad. I thought it being a bit bigger, it was going to be difficult for me to use, but it's not. It's not heavy, it's not difficult for me to write with. So this one here is the 0.7 lead. Being a retractable pencil, it's great because I can take it with me and I can use it in my sketch pad, or I can just take notes with it. So I can still hold it okay even with my bung hand. Thanks for tuning in and watching our review on this awesome pen and pencil. So go to the link below, grab your 20% off and enjoy your Bastion Bolt Action Pen.
Thank you. I'm keeping it.